Guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to actually download videos from Facebook using Xender. So make sure you actually watch this particular video all the way from beginning to the end. And as you are watching the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on post notification bell. So first of all, we are going to head to facebook.com, and when we head up to Facebook, we are going to get a particular video which we can actually just click on that particular video, and I'll show you the next step that you need to do. So make sure you're actually watching the video all the way from beginning to the end. So let me just scroll through the feed and see if I'll get a video that I can use for that. So I'm just scrolling through the feed. I may get one. Okay, let's say this particular video. So if you see a video like this, you click on the share button, and when you click on the share button, this is what is going to pop. And as it pop this way, the next step that you need to do is just scroll to where you are going to see where you can be able to copy the link. So you click on where we are having the copy the link. So if you click on it, it's actually going to copy the link. And when the link is copied, the next step is you head back to Xender. You head back to Xender. So as you head back to Xender, the interface, this is the interface that is actually going to pop up. This is the interface that is actually going to pop up at first when you just visit Xender. But after you visit it, just click on where we are having social. Visit where we are having social. You click on where we are having social. So when you click on where we are having social, you can see that we have Facebook, we have Facebook Watch, we have TikTok, we have Instagram, we have status, we have X, and we have more. So what we are going to do is we are going to click on, you can see where they are having paste link. So the place that they are saying that you should paste link, so that's where we are going to be clicking on. So we click on paste and download. So if you click on paste on and download, the Xender is going to actually scan the link. So you can see Xender is actually scanning the link for now. And as Xender is scanning the link, you need to actually wait and see the end results. And make sure as you are doing this, your data should be on. So if you are doing this, make sure your data is actually on. And you can see that Xender actually scanned the link, and the next step is the video is going to be downloaded. So you can see this is the video here, the video that we just click on, that's the video here. And if I click on it, you see that the video is playing. How will you know that it is actually downloaded to your storage? So let's cancel it here and just head to our storage. So let's head to our storage. So we click on our storage, and when we're on our storage, the next thing that we are going to do, we are going to click on videos. So when we click on videos, we can see that's the video. You can see just now that I download that particular video. So if I click on it, it is actually going to show. So let's wait for it. You can see that particular video has actually popped. Shows that it is actually now in our time. And most people normally find it difficult to actually download videos on Facebook, and this is the easiest way that you can go about it to download videos on Facebook. And more importantly, some people too will be looking for website, but I think this is the easiest way to go with it. So I think I'll leave you guys here, and thank you for watching. And if you find value in it, make sure you subscribe to the channel and share it to your friends. So bye bye for now.